Good morning, YouTube. It's your home dog, Muhammad Abidi, and I'm here to unbox my new Nintendo 3DS XL with Majora's Mask for 3DS. So what can I say? I mean, playing the Majora's Mask demo on the new 3DS felt like playing with a dual analog controller, and you know, I just want to relive my childhood, and I kind of like what the new 3DS has to offer. But enough talking, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, let's see how to open this thing. Let's see. We open it from here. Yes. And here we go. Now, let's take it out. See what we have here. Oh, that looks like the console itself. And mind you, this is the first time I've ever bought a console on its launch day. Let's see. So this is the new 3DS. Alright. We'll find out soon if the hinges are loose or not. Take a look. It has that glossy finish. So it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. Yeah. As you can see, here are the the shoulder buttons, ZL, ZR, or if you speak English, ZL and ZR. And let's open this baby. All right. Here we go. Circle pad. Directional pad, and the C nub. Takes quite a bit of getting used to, but it does feel like a pencil eraser. And buttons that look like that have Super Nintendo colors. Pretty good. And start and select. Let's see. Yep, they feel pretty clicky. Oh, bloody hell! The hinges are loose. Oh well. I'll try to work around it. Of course, it didn't come with a charger, but I do have an old 3DS charger. And here are the AR cards in the new 3DS XL manual. Let's see if it has anything else. Let's see. No, it doesn't. Alright, and of course, it'll be time to relive my childhood. You know, I'm gonna be 25 in, March, so, and back when this game was released, I was 10 years old. So, 15 long years, but hell, it was worth it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. Let's unwrap it. Show them. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. All right, here's the cartridge. Alright, I guess that's that. So, like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever. And there'll be, more videos to come, so, stay tuned. Free to mind, homies.